Hi guys! Magandang araw. Meron naman tayong panibagong video ngayon dahil marami kasing nagre-request sa atin na gawin tong challenge na ito. At yun na nga, sa sobrang dami ng nag-request, isa lang ang nabasa ko. Kaya nag-iisa nga lang siya at pagbibigyan natin si Miss Tanya Miranda. So, yun, nabasa ko sa comment niya, gusto niya akong mag-tongue twister challenge. Ayun nga, lalagyan natin ng kaunting twist, tongue twister. And, ano nga ba yung twist? May alam ba kayo kung ano klaseng twist ang ilalagay natin? So, guys, without further ado, let's start! So guys, basahin ko muna yung tongue twister natin for today. So ito. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. A peck of pickled peppers. Peter Piper picked. If Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers, where's the peck of pickled peppers Peter Piper picked? Oh my God, it's so gear up. So, yan, tatagyan na natin siya ng twist after this one. Guys, so ito na tayo sa round 2 sa ating tongue twister with a twist. For today, so it is Betty Butter bought some butter. What she said, the butter's bitter. If I put it in my batter, it will make my batter bitter. But a bit of bitter butter will make my batter better. So twist better butter. Good. So one more time, let's try. It's Betty Butter bought some butter, but she said the butter's bitter. If I put in my butter, it will make my butter bitter. But a bit of better butter will make my butter bitter. This is round 3 for our tongue twister. So, ito na nga. Let's read it. How much would Ayun. Yun. How much would How much wood would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood? He would chuck, he would, as much as he could, and chuck as much wood as a woodchuck would if a woodchuck could chuck wood. Isa pa? How much wood would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood? He would chuck, he would ang hirap, as much as he could, and chuck as much wood as a woodchuck could with if a woodchuck could chuck wood. How much wood would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck so pagpasensyahan nyo na yan. Okay. So how much wood would a woodchuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood? He would chuck, he would, as much as he could, and woodchuck would if a woodchuck could chuck wood. My goodness, it's so hirap. So lagyan na natin ng twist ang ating round 3. Hey, 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 hey. How much would a woodchuck chuck and find? Woodchuck could chuck wood, he would chuck, he would. As much as he could, as chuck as much wood. As a woodchuck would, if woodchuck could chuck wood. Oh, how much wood would a woodchuck have? If a woodchuck could chuck wood, he wouldn't chuck. Woodchuck as much as he could woodchuck. And then chuck as much as woodchuck could find. Oh, how much wood it chucking? Woodchuck would put he woodchuck everywhere. As much as he could chuck, as much more wood. And as a woodchuck, if a woodchuck could run. Oh, how much woodchuck if a Guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed our video today. And if naging happy naman kayo, please, you can share it with your friends also. And please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to my YouTube channel. And yes, thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye daw ang kambal. Bye-bye ang kambal. Bye-bye. Bye-bye na kayo. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Flying kiss, flying kiss. Flying kiss.